Hey guys, what's up? Back with another video, and today we're going to be talking about something a little bit different than the videos I normally post, but it is a way that I'm creating a passive income for myself, and so I thought I'd share it with you guys. So, if you don't know what proof of stake is, we're also going to be talking about master nodes, but proof of stake, I mean, the best explanation is right in front of you, but if you don't want to read that, then basically all it's saying is that you are locking up a certain amount of coins for an allotted amount of time and you're being rewarded for that, or those coins are essentially accruing interest. Just like if you think of the stock market, if you hold a stock that pays dividends for the amount of time that's required, you're going to get paid out the dividends for holding that stock. So it's basically accruing interest for you holding it, which is really good because it's going to support the price of the coin or the stock, whatever it's going to be. Um, the reason you'd want to stake on a pool anyway is you're going to get more coins and a lot faster. All the math is kind of right here. Like if you're really into seeing why it would be better, but I'm just gonna kind of graze over that and show you guys how it works. But I'll put this in the description for sure for you guys to check out if you really would like to see it. But anyway, by the way, the link to get to this site is going to be in the description below. Um, and I'll just use my referral link so you guys can go check it out. So basically, I'm going to show you some of the master nodes that I'm running right now. I really like Frost because this is my favorite pure, but I do like Frost a lot. Um, I'm going to show you why. So basically, the ROI on this right now is really good. It's about 12 days. And so when you look at this, this is the reason that it's good to be on a pool. So right here you see the worth of a master node. You have to have 5,000 coins, right, to have one master node. And it costs $4,547. Now, for some of you, that's obviously that could be nothing, and for some people, that's way too much. Especially even people that do have money, this might be something that you think is too risky, and maybe you just want to put, $500 of it. And so something like that is possible with this. So if you come down to master nodes, they're super active on Discord almost every day. There's a whole community talking, plus the actual developers are always on there too. But anyway, so right here there actually is a Frost master node. So I'm going to show you. I actually just did buy another slot with my rewards, but I'm going to go ahead and show you what it would look like. So if you wanted to participate, you would you'd come here and you'd deposit the coins, right? You'd deposit them, and then once they're in your account, you'd come to available master nodes, and you'd come here, and let's say like I said, you don't have $4,500, but you wanted to put, let's say you could only afford 200 coins, right? So, what's the price? Okay, the price, I'm blind. The price is, sorry guys, accidentally cut out, but the price is about 91 cents. So, we're gonna come here and you're gonna buy, let's say you bought 200 coins at 91 cents equals $182. That's it. That's all it costs. And you're gonna participate. So you'd get 4 slots, which essentially would be 4% of the total pot. So you're looking at this daily income. Or let's do the weekly income. So you have 4%, right? Because you're buying 4 slots out of the 100, that's very simple. That you have 4% of it. So you have 2,653. The entire node's gonna earn, not you. That would be nice, right? times 0.04, 4%. So you're earning $106 a week on a $182 investment, which is actually pretty impressive. I don't even think my whatever $5,000 1080 Ti rig is barely making this much money right now a week. But um, anyway, so that's how it's done. And then you'd just come and you'd click participate, and let's say I did have the coins in my wallet. Um, then boom, it'd be done, and you'd have your spot. And the really cool thing with Frost is I'm gonna show you my activity. So basically, I was earning money from the master nodes themselves every single day, and then so I'm getting paid out in Frost from the master node, and then while it's just sitting in my wallet, it's earning even more money because the pool will stake it for you. So I'm earning on top of this was all yesterday. So much Frost. So I think there's actually, yeah, there's a shit ton more. Pure is my favorite project right now, but I really do like Frost. So I'm getting a ton of staking rewards from Frost, along with, here we go, along with all of these rewards. Oh yeah, see, I just bought that. Let me see where it is. Yesterday. So along with getting all of those staking rewards, see, I'm getting paid out every day also with Frost from my master nodes. So yeah, here's an entire page of a ton. And if we go, these are all the master nodes that I currently have. So I have this one pending. I have a ton of pure. And then I only have what 200 coins, which is pretty much what I was just explaining to you guys, or I guess now 250, and it's earning a ton of money every single day. For Pure, I do have a lot more because it's one of my favorite projects, and this I've earned over about 2 days, the Pure, and then they're also staking it, so I'm making even more money now. So every day you're pretty much just making more and more money as long as the project is good, because you always want to buy into something that has longevity. So if we look at coin market, that's just my homepage on coin market cap, I guess. We're gonna look at pure. This is probably my favorite project. If you see back here when all crypto was hot, pretty much, it was insane. So I mean, almost $6, right? So right now we had a little bit of a bull run from back here, and now it's just moving super steady. So I think this is still a really good buying opportunity to get into Pure. And if you're gonna invest in it, you might as well be staking and putting it in master nodes anyway. So you're making even more money. And the Discord too is really cool because one, it shows you all of the rewards that the pool is getting, both staking, master nodes, shows deposits, everything. Um, and there's really cool spots in the Discord for the community to just come together and talk. So I think joining a pool like this when running a master node is going to be super important. Um, One of the biggest things that I think is important when joining a pool to do this is because the entire community has to get behind something before they're gonna, put it on this pool because they need the users to fill these slots anyway. So it needs to be backed by the users. And if there's a wide consensus of a coin, it's typically gonna be a better project than just some insane return coin that is tomorrow going to be worth nothing, you know? Like something like this. Yeah, you might make 4,000 a day, but can you even sell this? No, because the volume's 634. Um, so projects like those are not something you want to get involved with in this masternode and staking space. But something that has a steady income that's still really good um, and has a really good community behind it is more of the projects you're going to want to get involved with rather than just chasing these insane return coins, which this is still really good. This coin is still really, really good. So I hope you guys that kind of made sense. I mainly showed the master nodes because that's pretty much the only thing that requires any effort. You're just kind of moving the coins around. And then the staking is all done automatically by the pool, so you don't have to really worry about doing anything for the staking. They just take care of it for you. And they only take 3% of what you make, which is pretty much nothing for them to run this service for you. So if you guys have any questions, please put them, in the comment section, and anything you're gonna need to get to this website will be below, in the description. So, all right, guys, thank you.